Huawei is going to introduce its new flagship phone.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.
The new smartphone has powerful specifications.
Pro Plus has a 6.85 inches OLED touch screen display and 1.5K in resolution with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate.
The smartphone got a chipset of Kiran, which is the most powerful chipset. And to give more power to this phone, has an octa-core processor to make the device ultra fast. The internal storage capacity of the phone is 512 GB and 1 TB. The smartphone is using Huawei Kunlun glass for protection purposes. That is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a triple camera setup. The phone will be fueled with a non-removable 5000 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging.
The Mate 70 Pro is expected to have an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, which should offer improved security and durability compared to the Mate 60 Pro's optical solution. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.